We're in the Richmond lobby and we're gonna head towards the main garbage bin. So Richmond lobby, across the lobby, you can get to that door. You're gonna dial your personal code on that AccuVox reader. Press the check mark.
Access granted.
Access granted. You are going at the other end of that hallway. And right here on your left, you have another door. You cross that door on your right, you have another AccuVox reader. So that's the second one. Dial your code, check mark, access granted. And this is the main garbage bin. You can come across here. You have access from this side as well.